This trick even surprised my grandma. Take a hollowed-out cucumber, add a bit of baking soda, and pour in some vinegar. Wait until it starts to fizz. Then place the cucumber over the toe where you have a fungal infection. Keep it on for about 5 minutes. Natural, effective, and no expensive appointments needed. Your feet will thank you for it. The best foot soak you can give your feet. It's my neighbor Dorothy's secret recipe. One very important ingredient is oregano, an underrated herb with cleansing, regenerating, and naturally antibacterial properties. Add a generous handful of oregano to a pot and pour in about 1 pint of water. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes, then strain. Pour about 1 cup of white vinegar into a bowl. In a separate bowl, add 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda softens the skin, refreshes it, soothes irritation, and helps remove calluses. Place your feet in the bowl and pour the warm oregano infusion over them. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda on top and let it work. The combination of oregano tea and baking soda acts like a natural spa treatment. It softens the skin, refreshes it, and helps clear the pores, leaving your feet smooth and comfortable. Keep your feet in the soak for about 20 minutes to end your day with a touch of home relaxation. Spray this on your feet, and you'll get rid of the problem for good. All it takes is a simple homemade mixture. Start with a glass and pour in some alcohol. It refreshes, kills bacteria, and disinfects, keeping your feet clean and fresh for longer. The next ingredient is whole peppercorns. These tiny beads have a warming effect and naturally protect against microbial growth. Add a handful into vinegar, and the combination boosts the odor-fighting power. Now add a handful of cloves. They have a wonderful fragrance and strong antibacterial properties, making the mixture both effective and pleasant-smelling. Finally, add a teaspoon of salt. It absorbs moisture and keeps your feet dry and comfortable to the touch. Salt also helps regulate perspiration, giving long-lasting results noticeable from the first use. Transfer everything into a spray bottle and shake well. Just spray your feet, and sweating will be a thing of the past. Your feet will stay dry, fresh, and nicely scented, and you'll feel confident in every situation. I apply this to my feet and knees every day. Ever since my grandma started walking on her own again, I've been doing it regularly. You only need 2 ingredients. Start with a small bowl. The main ingredient in this mix is ginger, preferably dried. Ginger has amazing properties. It warms, stimulates, and feels great on the skin. Add 2 tablespoons of dried ginger to the bowl. Measure out a 1/4 cup of hot water. It needs to be hot to activate the natural compounds in the ginger. Pour the water into the bowl and mix everything into a thick, smooth paste. Before applying it, warm up a small towel with an iron. It should be nice and warm. Tear off a piece of paper towel and spread the ginger paste on it. Gently place it on your feet or knees. Cover it with the warm towel to help the mixture absorb better. After about 30 minutes, the ingredients will have done their job. This simple method helps relieve tension and discomfort. It's a perfect way to improve your mobility and feel better.